Another place we can look at is Indeed.com. Indeed, if I could spell Indeed.com. If we go to Indeed.com, oh man, look at it showing all my information. Hope nobody hacks me. So Indeed. Oh my God, come on, guys. Don't do this to me, Indeed. You're embarrassing yourself. All right, hold on a second. I guess I got to sign into Indeed now. I don't know what the hell. I just wanted to show you. Okay, here we go. Indeed.com. So watch this. I do this all the time here. Security. If we typed in security plus, see how many people are looking for this in the industry. In any industry. And this might be because it's false positives, because I just typed in security plus. They don't normally spell it like this. Maybe this is way too many. So that tells me that's not right. So let's look at CompTIA security plus. There we go. This will be more accurate. Anywhere. We want to look at anywhere. 6,000. Okay, that's more like it. There's 6,000 right now. Look, jobs right here that's been listed. And you probably, when you're doing this, you want to do in like the last 24 hours. Let's look at that. Still 100 jobs in the last 24 hours. Pretty good. And if you look at other certifications here, it'll give you an idea of what jobs are more in the market or being looked for than others. And you'll see like a large swath of different jobs. You got functional security administrator, voice over IP technician, Google Workspace IT security specialist. This company right here is looking for a Google Workspace specialist with a security plus. What did I tell you? DAS NOC specialist or network operating center specialist, IT professional. All these guys looking for a CompTIA security plus. So I would say security plus is what, if you're in school, you're looking for a certification, you're a cybersecurity person, can't go wrong with security plus. Another one that might be beneficial to you, and correct me if I'm wrong, guys who are watching this, but some of the entry level cloud certs to start on the cloud certification track, like your AWS CCP or your Azure 900, those might help you if you're gonna keep going up. I think those will help. But security plus, I think would be one of the best ones I would recommend that you do. And then he got some more questions here. Says no Linux certs. Linux certs. I'm not. You know what? Professor Black Ops might be smarter on those than me. The only one I could think of that's pretty hot would be what is it called? The Red Hat admin. I believe that one's pretty hot. The Rail 8 administrator one. At one time, that one was pretty hot. Another one. I have the Linux Plus. I don't think that one's very marketable, in my opinion. I mean, it's good. It's good to get it just to learn, and it's not like going to get you jobs or anything. It's kind of like Network Plus. It's good for like learning basic stuff, but not, I wouldn't say it was like a super marketable certification compared to Security Plus or CISSP or AWS Architects Associate or something like those. Are really hot certifications that are going to get you some real high paying jobs. But Network Plus, I would not put in that bag. I would not put that in the bag. Another place you can look at if you're looking for certifications, as far as like how they're what's the level of the certifications, is a place called, and I show this almost every other week. You type in security certification progression. security certification progression chart. It'll take you to Jeremy's site. What are they doing with search these days? There it is. Security, Paul Jeremy's site. And so this is what I want to show you guys. This is really good, really, really good site that breaks down all the certifications starting from beginner. If you look over here on your far left here, you'll see beginner, intermediate, expert. And so I think that Paul Jeremy has done a good job on this. This is a really good site. He should monetize this because he should make some money off this. So if you look at, somebody mentioned SC900. This is, who makes this thing? Microsoft certification. Okay. SC900. At the bottom, you got ITIL Foundation certification at the bottom, Project Plus at the bottom, Cloud, I don't even know what that is. CompTIA Cloud Essentials at the bottom. Yeah, at the bottom, foundational, low-level certifications. And I'm looking for the CompTIA. They have another one called ITF, and I don't see it on here. Maybe it's like one level up. Nope, don't see it. Yeah, but if you go here, bottom all the way to, let's say, Security Plus, right? Security Plus, you can see they've listed it kind of in the beginner level. But the reason why I still say that to get this one is because it's a badass certification, because people know what it is across different industries. It shows that you clearly know the fundamentals. If you can pass this cert, like if you can study for this cert and pass it, it shows clear fundamentals that you know about security, best security practices. And it's a great way to start building off of in other directions. And you can see it's above a lot of these other lower tier certifications. And then if we go to another popular certification, let's say, I don't know, the C-Risk, that's not really popular. What's a really big certification that CASP is pretty big. So CASP is up here. This is a difficult certification that they don't allow just anybody to take. But it's in the intermediate to expert level.